Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use DeepSeek chat. Before we start, hurry up and check out these offers on this video. Let's get started. Now, how to exactly start using DeepSeek chat here? Well, using DeepSeek chat here is fairly easy. So, first things first is we want to go ahead and just log in into our account. Let's go and click on log in with Google here since we created our account via Google. And let's go and click on our Google account or our Gmail account here and just click on continue. But once you've logged in, you should be able to see the default UI here for DeepSeek. Now, let's go and start discussing here how do you use DeepSeek. Now, the default UI or the UI here for DeepSeek chat is actually pretty simple. Now, the left panel here shows you all of the topics or chats you currently have. Now, each of them have their own topics. So, in this case, you can go and just click on one of the existing chats for your account here to view or continue that specific conversation. But if you want to create a new chat, just click on new chat here at the top left to create a new one. Now, also with the chats here, as you can see, you have the option to click on the three-dot option on it as long as you hover on it. So if you click on it, you have the option to rename this just in case, like if you wanted to rename this to a very specific topic, or you can even delete it. So if you click on delete, it's going to be deleted. Let's go ahead and click on delete. It's going to be removed from your chat history. Now, in this case, now we know how to basically start managing our chats here. How do we actually use the actual chat functionality? Now, the chat here is pretty simple. Now, think of it just as like you're just chatting with a friend or someone online. Now, in this case, you have message DeepSeek here. If you click on it, you have the option to start typing. Now, basically, depending on what you ask here, or basically ask DeepSeek to do or explain to you, they'll be able to respond depending on your prompt. So, for example, maybe I want to say, can you give me a recipe? Enter recipe here for an apple pie. And basically, it's going to respond on that specific prompt. Now, this might take a while to load up, but as you can see, it's going to say absolutely. It's going to start giving you the information that you ask for. Now, in this case, this is the default way of using. Now, you can ask questions, you can ask for recipes, you can even ask DeepSeek AI here to solve specific problems for you, as long as you create or formulate the correct or the best prompt here. So in this case, just make sure that you're using the correct prompt, and also your prompt is high quality. Now, if you use low quality prompts here, this will affect the response the AI can give you. Now, as you can see, there are other options that you can access here. You have the DeepThink R1 here, which in this case allows you to basically or allow DeepSeek AI here to respond or in this case to solve reasoning problems. Like, it enable this by clicking on it, and it's going to enable that model. Now, you also have the search option here, which in this case, it enables your chat here or DeepSeek to search the web for answers you're looking for that specific prompt or question you've entered in here as well. Now, you also have the option to basically add or upload text or files here. Now, in this case, you can upload CSVs, PDFs, and documents, if I'm not mistaken. Basically, it will extract information from a document and do the task or the prompt that you've entered in here. So yeah, so those are the general use or how to use DeepSeek here. Now, also, you have your profile at the bottom left here, just in case if you want to update your profile, contact them, log out, or access the settings here, which allows you to change a few things like your profile, about, and general information like the language and team. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.